So I'm going to show you guys a really neat tool. I don't know how new it is, but I am just noticing it. And it's really neat, and it's going to allow you to continue on your repurposing journey, which you guys know I love taking one piece of content and turning it into many. So here's a peek right now at the stuff I've got. You can see I have like about a month out, because right now is the 2nd scheduled. So every week there's already one out. But I want to show you how to make baby versions. So it's called clips. So I'm just going to click on a video I've got here. Then on this bar on the left, we're inside the studio. I'm on a Mac, but the PC should look similar. I don't know if this is available in the studio app. Not sure, but for this is desktop. So we're going to click clips, create a video clip, and this is free at the moment, which is awesome. So it'll allow you to go through here. Gives you a 1 minute duration, but you can make it as short or as long as you want. And what's really cool is you can actually go in and use the transcript to decide exactly where you want it to be, which is so nice. You don't have to sit here and scroll through. You can actually go in and find the information you want and just snag that one bit. For example, I have this little bitty baby bit, right? This is about how to embed in a loom. So we'll play it real quick and see what it is now. Click the plus sign and you can start typing embed. You can also use the slash. So as you can see, it goes through it, which is really nice. And then now I know this is literally the shortest bit. It's 23 seconds, but it is just the part that is showing them exactly what to do to embed it. You're going to click, you're going to do this, you're going to do that, and then that's it. 23 seconds out of a 2-minute video, and now I have a tiny version, which is really cool. As far as I know at the moment, it only allows you to have the 16 by 9, but I did have a little survey when I used it the first time before this, right before I made this video, when I first discovered it, that asked me like, what formats would you like it to offer? So I made sure I checked all of them, like reels and stories, and I also, in the other, I put 1080 by 1080 pixels, because that's Instagram square. But anyways, so here we are. Click create draft. It's going to give me the exact same upload thing that it gives you when you go to upload it. And then so you can start over and do all your tags and such. And then you've got yourself a baby version without having to go in and edit it